DIY Home Improvement Projects for Beginners, a guide to making your space your own. Looking to spruce up your living space without breaking the bank? DIY home improvement projects can be a fun and rewarding way to add a personal touch to your home. Here are some beginner-friendly projects to get you started. 1. Paint a room. Choose the right paint. Consider the room's function and your personal style. Prepare the surface. Clean, prime, and patch any holes or cracks. Apply the paint. Use a high-quality brush or roller for a smooth finish. 2. Add a backsplash. Choose your material. Consider tile, glass, or brick for a stylish backsplash. Measure and cut. Measure your kitchen backsplash area and cut your materials to size. Install the backsplash. Use adhesive or mortar to secure the tiles or bricks. 3. Update your hardware. Cabinet hardware. Replace old cabinet knobs and pulls for a quick and easy update. Light fixtures. Swap out outdated light fixtures for a modern look. Door handles. Upgrade your door handles to add a touch of style. 4. Create a gallery wall. Curate your collection. Gather your favorite photos, artwork, or prints. Choose a layout. Decide on a grid or a more organic arrangement. Hang the pieces. Use a level and appropriate hanging hardware. 5. Add plants. Indoor plants. Bring nature indoors with houseplants. Outdoor plants. Plant flowers or herbs in your garden or on your balcony. Care for your plants. Ensure your plants receive adequate sunlight and water. 6. Reupholster furniture. Choose a fabric. Select a fabric that complements your home's decor. Prepare the furniture. Remove any cushions or upholstery. Staple or glue the fabric. Secure the fabric to the furniture frame. Remember, DIY projects can be messy and time-consuming. Start small and gradually increase the complexity of your projects as you gain confidence. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.